Na rin po mga mambabatas para sa pagtalakay sa panukalang pambansang budget ng susunod na taon. Nakatakdang isumite ng administrasyon sa Kongreso ang naturang budget pagkatapos ng SONA o State of the Nation Address ni Pangulong Aquino sa Hulyo 22. Si Christine Santos para sa detalye.
Isang araw matapos ang State of the Nation Address ni Pangulong Aquino, isusumite na sa House ang proposed 2.268 trillion peso 2014 national budget. Ito na ang ika-4 na budget ng Administrasyong Aquino. 3 dito ay naaprobahan ng Kongreso na nilagdaan naman ng Pangulo sa pagtatapos ng bawat taon mula 2010 hanggang 2012. Sinisigurado ng mga otoridad ang masusing pagsisiyasat sa mga paglalaanan nito. Ayon sa patakaran, mahigpit bawal ang realignments at augmentation ng budget ng bawat departamento at ahensya.
We hope at least the first year of every Congress is always a year of learning, because a lot of members will be first-termers who are not acquainted with the usual procedures. But outside of that contingency, we expect that there will be serious deliberations as well as expeditious deliberations on the budget, and hopefully the budget can be passed by us and sent to the Senate, because budgets emanate only from the House of Representatives.
Mahalagang maunawaan ang budget process, lalo na ng mga first-termers. Ito ay sa tulong ni dating House Appropriations Committee Chairman Congressman Edsel Lagman.
There's much to learn. First, the budget process has not changed, except for the fact that the power of the House over the budget process has been diluted. But with respect to the entirety of the budget process, it's still there. So it's important for them to learn, so that if they're not happy with the process, then they could try to recover what the 15th Congress has lost.
Pagdating sa national budget, isa sa mga pangunahing pinag-uusapan ay ang Priority Development Fund o PDAF. Nagsusumite ang bawat congressman ng mga proyekto at programang nais nitong ipatupad base sa pangangailangan ng mga nasasakupan nito. Kaya ngayon pa lamang mahalagang matutunan ng mga bagong mambabatas ang tamang pagbabudget. Subalit, kung aalisin man ang PDAF,
we can work with PDAF or work without PDAF. The constituency always asks us for PDAF. But I think in time, there are also ways to make your constituency feel that you're a working congressman. So it's something that I'm new, so it's also something that I'll study. But yeah, the constituency asks for it. But in time, I think we'll be able to share more about what we do here.
We are nonetheless advocating for the abolition of the pork barrel. Kasi trabaho naman talaga dito, gumawa ng legislation at mag-imbestiga ng mga tiwaling bagay na nagaganap sa ekotibo at sa iba't ibang bahagi ng pamahalaan. No, kaya isa doon sa mga key measures na ipapasa namin sa aktwal ay yung abolition.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Christine Santos.